Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can share a Google Doc file on Google Drive and not let the people who are viewing it make a local copy or copy data or print it. Let's get right into it. So firstly, you're going to want to locate the Google Doc file on Google Drive. Then when you hover over it, go to the three dotted button at the end, which is the More Actions button. Then click on it. Then you're going to want to go to Share, then click on Share. And for general access, click on the drop down box and click on Anyone with the link. Then you're going to want to click on this drop down box and make sure Viewer is selected. Then you're going to want to go to the Settings button up here. Then you're going to want to untick Commenters and Viewers, and this will mean people who are viewing the Google Doc on Google Drive won't be able to copy data or download it or print it. Then click on the back arrow, then click on Copy Link, then click on Done. That's all you need to do. Now whenever you share this file with people and they only have view-only access, they won't be able to download it, copy data from it, or make a local copy from it. That's it for this tutorial. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.